morning, ma'am. I am right at your gate. Okay? Alright.
Hi,
Hi, good afternoon.
this is Tashay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can come inside.
Thanks.
This way.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, so out here, so
Yeah.
you see the shoes here? When you sort out here, so for me, like you can use the softener, wash your clothes with the one kind of soap when we did carry down. Yes, from overseas. So when you take time with it, yes, so the softener, please take time with it because it's very expensive. And you see out here, someone you wipe it properly and take up them shoes there and pack them up good in a corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name again? Tashay?
Tashi.
Okay, Tashay, come on. You know my name already?
Yes, ma'am. Miss Candy.
Okay, cool. All right, you can come inside.
Okay, no problem.
All
Let me
right.
take up my supervision.
Okay.
Sure.
All right, hang on a little bit. Okay, so this is the living room, which you can see in the kitchen over there. Okay, here's the broom. And this is the bin. And you can wash all these dirty plates. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Just wash up all the dirty plate them and tidy up the place.
Okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
man, wipe out the whole place, clean on the window and everything. Let me show you inside the room.
Okay.
You did lock the door?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Lock the door right now. May I wait for you, you know?
I'm coming, ma'am.
Close the door.
Okay.
Okay, so you notice how the place messy?
Yes, miss.
I have no time, not even for myself. So me give you this job because I am depending on you to clean up the place professionally. That means it must look good. You understand? Like a office work, you know? Like a office work you do. You know the people in the office or then clean up the desk and then clean up this and everything. Pick and span. As someone you keep the whole place clean. All of them shoes over there, son. And my husband shoes them.
Oh, okay.
But not thief now.
Miss me not thief.
Okay, sorry. Me not know, me just tell him me say yeah thief, me say not thief none.
Okay.
Okay. And you see all them clothes here in these drawers?
Yes, ma'am.
All of the drawers them, I need you to fold them up properly. Up here so, me need you to clean it up. You see it messy?
Yeah.
And me and my husband do it. Nobody thinks that we're nasty now, you know. Not because you see him underpants throw down over this up on the ground. My husband a clean man. He always take off his dirty socks them and fling them all over the place, but that no means he's nasty. You hear me?
Okay, ma'am.
A clean somebody. Maybe today we ain't clean and make him dash down in dirty drawers them. As I tell you before, I have no time for myself. I'm a busy woman. I ask if he clean them up, but nobody thinks that my husband nasty. He's very clean.
I'm not saying that, ma'am.
Yes, him gone overseas. Anyway, him is a busy man. Him own his own business. I've owned a lot of business place overseas, so him not there right now. So may I ask if I can take them up, please put them one side, and when you finish, you can go in at the washroom, put them in the machine and wash them.
Okay, no
But you
problem.
still like the underpants them, chew them have skid mark in them. I want you to wash them in the tub, you know, like on bad pan.
Okay.
Instead of the machine because I want them wash nice and clean. And when them dry, you take them up and iron them. Iron out all I underpants them because when you come back from foreign, you want them well pressed. Okay, and when you're ready, you can go in the fridge and get something to eat. A lot of stuff in a refrigerator.
Okay.
So nobody starve yourself, but none of out everything when in the fridge.
I won't, I promise.
Alright.
Okay.
Just feel at home.
Boy, them people are nasty. No matter how them I work them for learn to clean them place. Look at the mess the lady cause and her husband. Jesus. The one that found it. No sir. You fix it still because I'm at work and I really need. Who the hell I call me you know? Hello, who is this? Me tell you I'm done with them life there. Me move on and me get a little work. Look here, do not call back my phone. If me I go send one of my link, them come deal with you. Hear me I tell you? Do not call back this phone. Get in your life sorted out. You want in a badness. You think badness can bring you nowhere? Really could work and achieve really good money with me again. Say lady could wash him man's socks. What the piece of line there? Jesus Christ. Hello, good morning. You know where the line is?
How are you? Huh?
I'm Tasha, I'm working for Miss Candy upstairs.
You're for Tasha? What you say, baby?
I'm Tasha, I'm working for Miss Candy upstairs.
Oh, you name Tasha?
Yes.
And you work for Miss Candy?
Yeah.
You know who that can work for?
What you mean by?
What you mean, sir? What me mean? Hey, go and drink me tea, it's rotted. I don't think you understand who you work for.
What you mean by, sir?
Hmm? You ever hear about the white witch of Rosal?
No, sir.
Well, this is the white witch of the West, yeah?
What that's supposed to mean?
You know, is that you will find out. She tell about her husband?
Yeah, she said her husband fly out or something like that.
So soon come back.
Yeah, that's what she told me. Is there a problem, sir?
And that she said to you for you?
Yeah, she told me that I even clean up her apartment upstairs and then she said I must take up her husband's stuff and I must wash them.
Her husband close them?
Yes.
And he nasty jars and everything still in the car, not true? Huh?
Sir, how you know about that, sir?
The last maid that was working up there, eh? The way how she run out of the house there, not even lightning bolt can catch her.
Sir,
I'm going to tea.
not to get in the business, but can you explain a little bit more about that?
So what more you want to explain? The line one you miss. You can just walk past and go on to the line, yeah?
Okay, sir. Thank you very
You
much.
take your time, go on. You're not going to last long on that place, eh?
Boy, I'm wondering what this young man is talking about, that the lady is a witch. But she never yet showed me that side. Wonder, I don't know, like, I'm confused. What am I talking about? Anyways, it's not my business still because this is so very confusing. I wonder if I go up there and ask her about her husband. Because she tell me saying they're fine and this young man is making it dramatic. Like, this is too much for me. I am here to work, not to get in people's business. With the rest of them, they say down there, so I true. Wonder if you forgot to go to Candy, Miss Candy about it. Oh God. Oh, this I call me now. Him again? Hello? What me did tell us? I'm not tell us I don't call back my phone. Me change my life. Why can't you change yours? Me even baptized in the church. Bro, you see the next time you call me phone, I don't want to see myself. Okay? Don't call back this number if you're not a changed person. If it's not something positive you're talking about, do not call my phone, okay? What's me I say? When I have to go back? No, I need to ask her because who the man that just come out of blue so
Oh, you're there?
Yes, mom.
Hold on there.
Mommy, okay?
Why bad pan I do here, so?
Sorry about that. I didn't remember to bring it in the bathroom.
The bad pan not supposed to in the room. You're supposed to put it in the bathroom.
I'm so sorry about that, mom.
So next time you take out the bathtub, you hear me?
Listen.
Anyway, why up here so look the same way like how me leave it?
Mom, me clean up the place.
What's it?
It must be by accident it dropped, mom.
Take it up. Put it up, please. Anyway, remember I said I did pay you already for yesterday.
What do you mean by pay? Mom, it's been 2 days.
I know 1 week since you work here.
No.
You sure send me not pay
Yes,
yesterday?
you did not pay me. It's 2 days. Remember you say you pay me on the weekends.
So I not give you $10,000 yesterday?
Mom, no. It's 2 days now I have been here.
2 days. Oh, that's what you talk. I think I did pay you. So why me I think I pay you?
Mom, I don't know.
Maybe somebody else may give me money and think of you. Anyway, you did eat anything?
No, Mom.
But me tell you, say you could have eat something. But no, don't you? Take anything you want out of the refrigerator. You take up my husband underpants them and wash them properly? You wash everything?
Yes, I did, Mom.
Okay.
I pinned them out on the lawn outside.
Oh, that's why the bath pan there, so you did a wash?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Alright then. May I go outside go get some fresh air?
Okay, Mom. I wonder if the lady is senile or something. It's been 2 days I'm here and she been saying, I wonder if the Rasta talking truth. There's something about this lady and I'm going to find out. Or maybe I should ask her. You know, so I go back down at the Rasta man they do. Or may I go back to him. Sir, that you didn't finish school.
Me don't know you, know, so you come squeeze up on me for. I must waste me. Hey, you know how hard it is for cool, Ati?
But sir, from me I hang out down there, say I cool the one tea. I was about that.
It not cool yet. My mother always say until it's done. Me have to cool it right through. You understand me I say? What if you understand me I say to you?
That makes sense?
Of course it makes perfect sense to me, not to you.
Really? By the way, I'm never come down here for cuss or argue with you. I'm gonna come down here for just ask a question. What's your name, by the way?
My name Jason.
Okay, nice to meet you, Jason. I'm
What?
Tasha.
Tasha, you say name?
Yes, sir.
So, I say, what go with you in this place?
Alright. The reason why I come back down here is, you remember when I was passing by to hanging out the clothes? And you was saying something to me. I was thinking about it and I didn't know if it was true or a lie.
What you talking about? You know, me not talk, friend. May I have conversation?
Jesus Christ.
Me a whole conversation?
So you got to see now too?
What do you mean go and see now? But me a whole conversation?
Alright,
Me
listen.
just tell you a thing.
Okay.
And if you don't hear and understand it, well, are you have to deal with the consequences. I never understand where there. This is basically similar to our homes, you know. But me I tell you about that woman upstairs. That's the witch of the west. You understand me I say?
You keep on saying that, but I'm wondering what you mean by the witch of the west.
You shall find out.
Sorry, you can't tell me.
So now tell me, I tell you. Me I tell you, say, it's basically a mad woman up there, so. I mean, I say mad, I'm not because a mad woman. But it's been a mystery how her husband disappeared. You understand?
She told me that he gone overseas.
Gone overseas. I was skying gone. I must say heaven or hell gone. But
What do you
overseas.
mean by that?
Miss, it was big on the news. Let me tell you this from early out. It's big on the news that this woman, there's something wrong with either her memory. She always try to say she forget things, but I don't think she forget things. She pretend.
Oh.
Right? So since her husband missing, this is the state of how she has been. You understand?
Alright, let me show you something. When I was upstairs, she come to me and said if she pay me. And it's been 2 days I'm here. And she said she pay me on the weekend.
So your drama start. I may tell you, so just take your time, do what you have to do. Right? But no, say, I don't think you can share work out for long, because you are like the you're like the 15th person since that year. Yeah.
Sir, you serious?
I have no time for joke. I say I cool my tea.
So what she do, sir?
What you mean what she do, so? Let me tell you something. I not go bad mouth you call work, right? So go on with your work and just do your work efficiently and know say you're up for a jolly time. Alright? I drink my tea. I like people talk to me, I drink my tea.
No, this is why I don't like to talk to people.
Me too. So just do what you need to do and just go where you go. Go on your work. Me there when I start drink a cup of tea and you make me feel like more dash my tea.
Right,
Y'all spill my tea.
wait, sir, can I ask you one more question, please?
And you will leave, please?
No problem.
Alright, what question?
You believe that she killed her husband?
I didn't say that, you know. I don't know nothing about that, but I'm saying it's a mystery how the man is just missing. And all she has said, man, gonna work, gonna foreign, gonna work overseas, as you would say. You understand? Yeah. So you read between the lines. Simple as that.
Well, I'm going to try and see what can happen. Because actually I'm trying to change over my life.
What kind of life you want to change over? You have extra life?
So you know, say nah, no manners. This is why I don't like deal with people, you know. You know, I cut fire, son, it's alright. You know, nothing about you. Rubbish.
What now?
You really ask me what me know?
But me just there, sir.
Listen man, listen me. We come in our place and me not see you. And all my mind tell me say, I run we gone somewhere.
Brother, me tell you this, man. Me not go mess up certain things, man. Me not stupid. This is me have only opportunity right now for just go and burn some time. Let time pass and me can free again to go a road.
Me glad say you say not stupid because everybody thinks say I idiot.
Me? How comes that now? Because make mistakes in life, that means me I idiot. Come
Well,
on,
me
man.
just want to make sure say you understand clearly what the police say, you know. So you depend on house arrest. And if you come out gone nowhere, I treat a jail you gone.
Me not come out, man, because as me say, me not go to jail again. Me not go to the road there. So, what you do on the road all day? How work go today? You make enough money?
Everything good, you know. Everything good.
You see, that's why I say me and you are two different brothers in a cause. They say, me couldn't do what you do if you go to work and work for $10,000 a week. You know what I mean?
At least, me I work at honest bread. It might not as big as some people money, but them are, me not want to say them, me not want to use the word say them are thief.
Right.
But I want honest bread me I work, and me know say God go bless me for that.
Well, I hope him bless us soon. You know what I mean? Because Tell that tin mackerel me have to eat up for your yard.
Girl, me have to eat what me can't afford, you know. And me is a man, me not put my basket more when me can't reach it. You understand me I say?
Alright, boss. Me there. As me say me there easy. Me not left for perimeter, man. Me not left for perimeter. You understand? Me there so whole of vibes.
Alright,
Enjoy
well, me just
nature.
want to know that. Me just want to know that.
Yeah, man. Everything good, man.
Cause remember saying, you know,
Mm.
if you even do, then say, if you run where you will get locked up, you know. If you run with me, no problem too, you know. Cause remember say I'm a bail, you know.
No, that's why I can't disrespect you. Me there. I go and easy myself. You understand me? I say, so don't worry yourself, man. Me have everything covered. Hey, you know, so the woman upstairs there, that a Candy, she have one new maid. Eh? One new maid, me say walk past her today.
Well, I don't know where she get fair money from. Can't afford me, you know, but fair business that.
So you go. But me there go and easy. So you say you good though?
Everything good, man. Look at more.
Yeah, man. Me there, so brother. Me not left his place, brother. But
I hope so. I hope you don't left, you know.
oh, me not left him, man. Me not left him
Alright,
there.
alright.
Me a strong road, heavy.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Hello, you clean my room?
Look, girl, how you talk to?
Yesterday you come, I'm not see where you stay to someone that clean it today and make sure it's clean.
Have a nice day, because I don't want to lick you in your...
I want to Humpty Dumpty. I try to make sure my room clean.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass.
Look, girl, why you do my job?
And you watch something for me.
What you mean? I'm a job that... Let me come around and come talk to you.
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just
Yeah, I'm self money. I must see him close.
two hearts running wild.
Angel, I can't talk to you.
I want him.
You really... Yeah, do my job where you know, say...
I don't want you wash my clothes.
You know, say now no manners do, but I know that me there for. Because this is my job and you're not supposed to do it. And you know that too.
I know that. Go take them, go wash them if I feel. Come wash them because I feel. And then I say no for me. I feel it. So come wash them.
But you know I'm my job that.
Me don't want you wash my clothes because I don't want you put no obi and nothing in there. I don't want you wash them.
Girl, let me tell you this. It's been 2 days I'm here. And you're not been through what me been through in my life. You hear me I tell you? Me I try to create peace. Come on, they here long enough. You get me I try to say, and see where me I come from, me don't want to go back there so.
Look here. This is not story time. I know my baby I put me don't want to hear what happened Friday night past, but you and all of that. I said what I said. I mean if you don't wash them. So you can go on now.
You know what? Me I try to create peace. And I don't want to hurt you. Enough conversation.
I said, but this is the plan.
Hello. Why the bed just a spread?
I just got here, mom.
You just got here.
Yes.
So from morning, you just had spread the bed.
I said I just got here.
From morning, you just a come to work and expect me to pay you the same money. You plan to do some overtime?
If it's that I have to do, mom, I will.
I don't understand why you come to work so late and then you come, you sit down under fan and the place have, look there, lotion, juice, everything all over the place. And a matter of fact, I never leave in here so you know, so it look like you come long time and mess up the place. Before you clean it up, you help mess it up.
Miss, I just got here.
Every time you tell me say you just got here, you just got here. Me ear, you know feel say me ear you, me no deaf.
Me know that, miss.
Oh, so you start have attitude now?
Miss, me nah no attitude.
You know no attitude?
No.
So why when me attack you attack?
So me nah for
Listen to me
correspond
now.
back with
I am
her.
not working with you. You working with me. So you see anything me tell you to do, it's supposed to done. And done properly. Me no want no talking, no back answer, and they grumble and this and that. Because you see when your time comes for you get your pay, me have to pay you.
Miss, how me a grumble?
Why the same sheet on the bed?
I told you I just got here.
You just got here. So you have another work to do at your house before you come here, sir?
Miss, I was so tired. Because yesterday I did a lot of work. And when I went home, I was so tired and I even got to bed. To show you how I was so tired.
Hold on the sachet. So you don't know water for your yard. You come to do not for me water for me yard.
Miss, that's not my name. My name is Tashe. And why me that come to finish your water here?
Tashe, sachet, where they use make tea or juice or blend ray. I don't care. I only want to know that it's you I am talking to and I need my work to get done. You don't need to come at my place and stand and sit anytime you feel like and eat anytime you feel like and leave my work undone and then I have to pay you the exact amount of money. You see, if me have to talk to you one more time, you know what? I am giving you 2 more chances. This one and another one. And if I have to talk to you 2 more times different from the other time and no, I am going to fire you and hire somebody else. You hear me? And I'm done.
Miss Candy, wait. I am so sorry. Okay? It will never ever happen again. It's because I have a lot been going through and I don't have nobody to help me. I don't have no family member. I don't have no friend. I just have to try it for my own. You get what I'm trying to say, Miss Candy?
Anyway, I understand. I will take it in consideration and lenient on you. But this time, make it be the last time.
Miss Candy, I want to talk to you about something. Please.
Go
It's
ahead.
very urgent.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
You know your niece that live with you?
I don't have no other niece. I one niece me have.
Okay. Well, this morning I was coming in, right? And I spotted her outside washing the clothes. Well, that's my job to do. And I went to her and I spoke to her about it. And she started to disrespect me.
My niece.
Yes, your niece.
Don't worry about it. Me I go talk to her.
Alright, please do because she don't have no manners.
Let me talk to her.
Okay, thanks, sir.
So just continue your job.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. Okay.
So you eat anything?
No, ma'am.
So when you finish your job, you can just go in the refrigerator and get something to eat.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Why? I don't know me get myself in about. Only God knows.
Angel,
Yes, auntie.
the helper just complained to me about you. She said she tell us that she did to wash the clothes them and you tell her say you know why she wash your clothes them. Is that true?
Me, auntie, from morning I haven't seen that girl.
Really?
She even come round here and say me must continue wash for her and something. Auntie, you know I would never do something like that.
That is exactly what I'm talking about. I've never get this issue from any other workers about you. So I don't know what is the problem. Maybe she mistaken you for somebody else.
Auntie's like she telling on me.
Really? Oh my God. I know that you're a nice girl
Yes, Auntie.
and you would never ever do something like that. Ain't it?
Yes,
Okay.
Auntie.
All right, go ahead and finish wash. Since you've been washing and you told me that you're helping her, okay, go ahead and help her. That is very good. So when you grow up, you can wash your own clothes, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, that is very nice. Keep it up. I'll get you a gift later.
You're going to get me a gift, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Oh my God, she's so nice. That girl is a liar, you know. She's a little liar.
Yes, it's a little dirty, dry girl ever get me in no trouble. You sit with me and me in here. Informer.
Huh. Yeah, man. What go on, Tasha?
You again?
You mean
Where
by
you want
me
now, you?
again?
Oh. Where you want now, brother?
What you mean say me again? You think I can get rid of me so easy?
Ah, boy. Where you want now, my youth?
What you mean, what I want? We still have unfinished business.
Brother, me not tell you over the phone already say me change over my life, me baptize my youth. Me done with the back in ideas thing, youth.
I'm not done with that's why I don't answer your phone. Eh? So what you think? When they go in the water and baptize, you wash out my money? And that's how this thing I go.
My youth, which money you talking
What
about?
you mean by which money? With the work and we will go upon, I'm supposed to get my own. What you talk about? Look here, no man. I just come for my cut, I come for collect and just leave, them will leave you out.
Brother, what you talk about, my youth? You know, say my brother have all I link them, youth. Me and you not have nothing, brother. And my brother have everything, youth, so you come to me for.
Look here, no man. Like you don't know what's going on.
Wow.
Your brother get locked up, you know.
So me not hear about that.
You know, look here, no people. Miss, I collect, I come for collect. And your brother, in a fame situation right now, can't give me my money, so I have to come to you.
Alright, me gonna show you a pray. Me gonna try get in contact with my brother and see if me can transfer back your money to you. And by the way, how you even find my workplace?
What you mean? Money I've sent, you know. And I follow the trail come right here, so. You think you could hide from me?
Brother, me not hide from you.
So me I call the phone and you not answer.
Brother, as me tell you, me kinda done with them life the youth. Me tell you say me I try for work. By the way, me even there on the work and now I try for also some food. You see me say if I nothing me call you back on the later cause me not finish my work up there so. So me link you cause me have your number my youth.
Yeah. Me there, I'm on everything, Chris, man. So you say you gonna link me?
Yeah,
so,
me link
alright,
you.
then we'll listen out for the link.
Alright, no problem. You see me? Me have to go back, go back.
Do your
to the
thing,
work.
man.
Ah, no say hurt. Ah.
So people really take man for food. You can't catch quacko, you must catch a shot.
Miss Candy.
Mom,
Yes, miss.
why the place looking like this?
In,
What going on in there, sir?
you know, so me just bring out the garbage and I
Garbage?
was to attend that.
You just got to attend to this.
Yeah.
1 3 pack of biscuit when I leave this morning. Why you take out so much of the biscuit?
Me not take any, miss.
The biscuit are yours, so me not forget none. Look there. Out of 1 whole pack of biscuit. Who take it out?
Me no know.
You don't know. It's you working here.
But that no mean so me go up there, so miss.
And anyway, what you mean? What you mean? Watch it. All of my little tea bag and my seasoning and my something them gone. And a matter of fact, what is that doing in your bag?
That never in my bag, Miss Candy, what you talk about.
Me just find this pan here, so. And it in a one bag. Someone have to know how me pumpkin, me Irish and me yam, they in a bag. And me did leave them in the freezer. Me put them in the freezer for them take long to spoil. Because when me put them down at the bottom, it will stay for a while, but it spoil more faster because I go cook every day. Now you come and me give you the opportunity to use me things them in my refrigerator and I bag them up and carry them to your yard.
Oh shoot, Miss Candy, you know say I clean clean out the fridge. And I did take them out and put them there, so I'm so sorry. And why me don't want to that Miss Candy me ever tea for you? From me come here, have you ever missing anything?
Me no miss nothing. But me leave me things in the refrigerator and now me go and see them in a bag like you go take them home. So that's the reason why me say it. Well, if you explain yourself from the beginning, you cannot blame me. Okay. Because me don't know who they clean out fridge, take out things, put out outside, and when they finish clean the fridge, then don't put them in back. It's why your fault, not my bad.
I'm sorry. Well, it's my fault and I'm so sorry. It's because me take out the garbage, bring it outside, and they are come in, finish up the fridge and wash up the dishes. But I'm so sorry about that. It will never happen again, Miss Candy.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Yo, I don't know I want to them people. And Miss Candy take me for so little idiot and sound like a puppy show. And the woman not even ask me nothing. She just blame me for everything. Look how she nasty. From I come here and me do every single thing. In this now no manners to me. And she not treat me right. This minute she there, next minute she gone. You know what, me just gotta do the work here. And me gonna try find the next work and me gonna leave them place. Because me can't keep up with slackness no more. Me tired. Chalo.